My eye is burning. She said it won't burn. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. My name is Candice and this is Everything Beauty with Candice B. Alright y'all, so Fenty Skin has dropped another skincare product, and this time it's a cleansing oil. So it is the Fenty Skin Melt Off Jelly Oil Makeup Melting Cleanser. So we are going to try this out in this video today, and then I'm also going to take you through my nighttime skincare routine. Since I filmed my last one, I have very much simplified my skincare routine, and my skin has flourished since I've just taken out all of those extra products that I was using last year and just kept it very simple. I only use a few products and now my skin looks so much better. It's so much clearer and it's just getting better and better every day. So if y'all want to see the review of the Melt Off Jelly Cleanser and also see my nighttime skincare routine, let's go. Alright, so a little bit about the product. It's 3.4 ounces. This thing costs $34 and it's a jelly-like texture that transforms into a light oil once you rub it onto your face, and it's meant to remove long wear and waterproof makeup. And it's gentle on the eyes, so hopefully it doesn't burn my eyes once I start to rub it onto my face. So now I'm just going to take off the little sticker, and also actually let me remove my lashes. I just yanked those lashes off. That's not how you're supposed to take them off, but do as I say, not as I do. So the bottle features a flip top here at the bottom, and then there's like a rubbery top here, so you push down and squeeze some into your hand. Oh, that's kind of cool. So it's kind of thick, like a, I guess a jelly. And the instruction says that you have to rub it into your face on dry skin, so right on top of your makeup, and it's supposed to melt off all of your makeup, all of your lipstick, and break it all down. And then once you have it all rubbed in, you'll add warm water and then it'll turn into like a milky like texture, and then you're supposed to be able to just wash your makeup away. So my eye is burning. She said it won't burn. Okay, my eye is stinging a little bit on it, but this feels really thick. It's different from the cleansing balms that I'm used to. It almost feels like Vaseline on my face. And then the scent is very light. It kind of smells like mineral oil to me. So there is some fragrance in it. That did just break down all of that makeup off my face. It's all over my hands. But I still feel mascara on my eyelashes. So let me just rub it in a little bit more. Now let me add a little water to it. So I just added in a little bit of water. It does look like it's kind of milky like, and it thinned out that jelly feel really good. So now it does feel like an oil on my face. Since I've added that water, I don't feel the mascara on my eyelashes anymore, so that is definitely a plus. Okay, now I'm gonna rinse this off my face and let's see what my face looks like. Okay, my face is rinsed off, and this is just the oil. So far my skin feels very soft and moisturized, so I do like it. It burned my eyes a little bit, I'm not gonna lie. It said it wouldn't burn my eyes, but this eye burned kind of a little bit. So I'll keep using this for the time being and see how I like it, but so far so good. Like, I really like how my makeup just came off pretty fast and it dissolved as soon as I rubbed it into my skin. Now for the next step in my nighttime skincare routine, I double cleanse. So I usually start with a cleansing balm or a cleansing oil, and then I go into my face wash, and for today I'm using the Fenty Skin Total Cleanser. This jar right here lasts forever. I've had this for at least 6 months and I'm just now getting down to the bottom. But I just squeeze a little bit, and I don't use as much as I used to back in the day, which is probably why my bottles last so long. And I just lather this up and rub it into my face, and I like to make sure that I am cleaning my face for at least a minute. That just gives the cleanser some time to really work into your skin and get into the pores, so that it's cleaning out any impurities and any dirt. Also, don't forget your neck. You gotta clean your neck too with your cleansers. My face is all clean, and now I like to dry my face with a clean paper towel. It just keeps all of the germs from using or like reusing a towel on my face. It keeps all of that off of my face because I'm using a single-use paper towel. And I just pat my skin dry. I try not to rub. And I like for my skin to stay a little bit damp once I go into the rest of my products. After cleansing, I move into a toner, and at night I like to use the Ole Henriksen Glow 2.0 Dark Spot Toner. I love this one because it has AHAs in it and active ingredients that targets dark spots on my skin. I'm really trying to clear out and like even out my skin this year, so this is one of the products that I've been using to help like lighten some of my dark spots, make my skin look even. And usually I just use a cotton oval and just squeeze some on here and rub it all over my face. On the spots that I do see like dark spots, I try to make sure I go over it just a few more times than the rest of my face, because that's where I really want this toner to be concentrated, is on my dark spots. But I really credit this toner with helping to even out my skin and just makes me look really good. And this toner usually can catch some of the stuff that you didn't get when you were washing your face. So if you can see, the cotton is a little bit dirty, but it's not too bad. Also, make sure you avoid your eyes when you're using this toner because you don't want your eyes to burn. After toner, I move into serum, and right now I am using the Fenty Skin Fat Water Serum Toner. So this is also a toner too, but since it's thicker and like a serum, I put this on after my toner. So just squeeze a little bit into my hand and rub it all over my face. And then we can move on to the next step. Once I have my toner and my serum on, I move into eye cream. That's something that I use without fail, day and night, twice a day. I do not skip a night without using eye cream. My favorite eye cream to use is by Kiehl's. It's the Creamy Eye Treatment with Avocado. So I have the jumbo size of this. I love this eye cream because it's so thick and it has like kind of a green tint to it. And what I do is just take a little bit on my ring finger and pat it under the eyes and on top of my lids too, because that's a part of your eyes. And I just take my ring finger and pat it in until the cream kind of disappears and dissolves into my skin. I'm trying to make sure that my black don't crack. Once that's somewhat rubbed in, I can move on to my next step. It's still like a little bit white, but my skin will eventually absorb it. So my next step is my moisturizer, which is pretty much the final step. And the one that I really like to use is by e.l.f. It's the True Cream Moisturizing Balm. My favorite moisturizer ever. So I like to just squeeze out a little bit onto my hands and rub it in all over my face. And just moisturize. It makes my skin feel really good in the mornings. I don't feel dry or anything, especially in the winter time when I can get a little bit drier. This helps me out so much. Now that I've taken care of my face, I gotta take care of my lips, and y'all ain't gonna believe what I use, but I'm gonna show y'all anyway. For my lips at night, I like to use good old Vaseline. I do not buy those lip masks anymore because they do not work for me. I feel like I wake up with even drier lips in the morning than what I had before. So I just like to use Vaseline. You just put on a very thick layer on top of your lips, and when you wake up in the morning, all of that dead skin that's on your lips, it just comes right off. You take like a little face towel and like wipe the Vaseline off your lips, and then you have the most softest, most kissable lips ever. And I really like using this because I wear a lot of liquid lipsticks, which can be very drying. So to wear this at night and just wake up with brand new lips in the morning, this is my favorite thing right here. It's one of my beauty secrets. So I just dig right into this tub and just spread it all over my lips in a very, very thick layer. Like, even if it feels too thick, add some more. Once that's done, I like to go and get in my pajamas and get ready for bed, say my prayers. But that is it for my nighttime skincare routine. What products do y'all like to use in y'all nighttime skincare routine? Let me know down below in the comments. But if you made it all the way to the end of this video, thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit those notification bells so you're notified every time we upload a new video. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Good night.